Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga L13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Lenovo Yoga L13 is a versatile device, but when it won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty power supply or motherboard failure. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, an anti-static wrist strap, a spudger, and a replacement motherboard. Begin by ensuring your work area is clean and static-free. First, turn the device upside down and remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips holding it in place. Once the cover is off, locate the motherboard. You will see several connections and components attached to it. The most common failure point is the power connector, so check this first. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical hazards while working. Gently remove any screws securing the motherboard, usually located around its perimeter. When unscrewing, apply steady pressure but avoid over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lift the motherboard carefully, taking care not to disturb any nearby components. If you are replacing the motherboard, carefully detach it from its connectors. When installing a new motherboard, ensure all connections are secure and aligned properly. Once everything is reconnected, replace the screws to secure the motherboard in place. Reconnect the battery and place the back cover on the device, aligning it properly before pressing it down to clip it back into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the cover. Power on your device to check if it functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, it may require further diagnosis. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your device is kept in a suitable environment, avoid overloading it with heavy applications, and regularly check for software updates. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.